I will show you how to preserve tomatoes until winter without pasteurization. First, I'll wash the tomatoes. I will cut the tomatoes in half and clean from the center. Write to me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I will chop the garlic. I will chop fresh parsley. I need clean and wash jars. I put tomatoes in a jar. I add garlic to the jar. Parsley. That's how I'll fill all the jars. I need boiling water. I pour boiling water into the jars to cover the tomatoes. I will cover and let it sit for 20 minutes. Now I need a pot. I will pour the liquid from the jar into the pot. My jars have a volume of 720 milliliters. 1 teaspoon of sugar goes on each jar. I'll put 3. Three teaspoons of salt, 1 for each jar. A few grains of pepper. 3 tablespoons of 9% vinegar. 1 for each jar. I put the pot on the stove and wait for the dressing to boil. I immediately pour this hot dressing into the jars. I'll wipe the top of the jar. I immediately close the jars with sterilized lids. I sterilize the lids for 15 minutes in boiling water. Wrap the jars in a blanket and let them cool gradually. When the jars have cooled, put them in a dark and cool place until use. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thanks friends.